Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. So today we are going to discuss about the breakout stocks on a weekly basis. So let's get into this. So the first stock we are going to discuss is LTTS, and you can clearly see this has given a clear breakout here on the current week's candle. So this was acting as a resistance earlier, and from here it has given the clear breakout, right? So breakout is already done. So now what we can do is maybe we can wait for the retest and then take an entry around 4000, and the targets are like this: first resistance zone and then the second and the third, right? So it could give good returns around 5200, but if it goes directly into this territory, avoid. If it is going to retest it, then you can take an entry and it will go, maybe it'll give good returns in maybe couple of months, right? So this is the first stock. Then second is Persistent. So you can see here again the same scenario where the resistance, it was a resistance of, I think, uh, earlier it was a support. So yeah, this area. So earlier it acted as a, so here breakout, support, then again one more support, third support. Here it tried to take the support but did not, and it break down. Then it started acting as a resistance, right? So first resistance, here second resistance. It played around here for maybe around a month, and then it was a clear breakout. So again, as the breakout is already done, we can, what we can do is we can wait for the retest and then take an entry. Then the third stock is IRB Infra. So in this, you can see there are two things happening. One is clearly it has given this breakout, the first one. I'll take this as a first breakout. And there is one more breakout on these levels. If you could see these three levels, which acted as a resistance earlier, right? Here, and at this time. So it has given clear two breakouts here, right? So what we can do is, as this candle, if you see, it has given around 12% this week. So again, around 50% of retracement of that means around 6% down. If you get it around 260, 265, or even 270, these are the good areas to accumulate, right? Because it will come down, retest, spend some time here, and then break out for these levels. So my target is around 300 and 320 for this. Then there is ABBOTT India. So here, this is the early stage of the breakout. It is just getting into the zone. So you can clearly see here, right? So if we, as of now, we can avoid this because this could act as a resistance and it can go down till maybe these levels, 19,000, and maybe then we can review this. Infy, you can clearly see there was a gap down here, a big gap down in the month of April, right? And after that, it was trading below that, and now it has come to the same levels, right? So here you can see this was acting as a support earlier, and now it is acting as a resistance. So my feel is till it gets above this, like 1750, I will not take the entry here. Maybe if it breaks out and retests, I could take the entry around here for this gap filling. But again, the first target is this one only. After that, it can again go down and then maybe try to retest these levels. You can see there is a resistance as well here of these two candles. So this could act as a good resistance. As I said, here it is 1750, right? So 1750, close to that. So two resistances are there. If it, so this breakout I'll try to play. If it breaks up this 1750 and then retests, I could go for this 1900 and then maybe 2000, right? Then we have a GMR Infra clear breakout. Again, wait for the retest before taking the entry, and then you can maybe think of this. But looks good to me because not much difference as such. We can enter around 42, 41 and play for these levels. Then we have McDowell's. So here again, there was a resistance here. It played out quite well. It did spend some time here and then it break out, right? Now what this is trying to do is like here, these are the resistance levels. It is trying to take them out, and once it goes above this, maybe we can review this in the next week. If it goes above this, right? I think again McDowell, I'll close this. Yeah, this is a good stock. Apollo Hospital, same thing. If it comes to our zone, we can try to take an entry here, right? uh, yeah, so these are the levels, resistance levels. It has respected all the levels here. You could see here 1 2 3, maybe 4, and there is again one more resistance level, which is this. So yeah, so currently it is at the resistance level. We can review this maybe in next week because I think that it will spend some time here and then give a breakout. Then we have JM Financials. This is a good setup, I guess, because you could see three resistances here and then head and shoulder, right? Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. It'll try to break it up till these levels, maybe 85 to 90, right? So we can play out this. Once it crosses maybe 80, we can buy above 80 for the breakout till 85 and 90. Good stock. Then we have RCF. So here these are the resistance levels. You could see them clearly. So it did break out last week. It went up and again back to the square one. So what I feel is this could be a fake breakout. We just need to review this in a week's time and then take a decision, right? And what has happened here is, like for example, volume up, sudden volume, then it spent some time here accumulating again, like close to, I would say, 6 months. Then again a break up. Then yeah, same volume. It did take some break again and same volume again. So this could be a fake breakout. It'll maybe again rest up and then try to break out. Yeah, we need to review this again. Then we have FACT, good setup again, trying to go to the all-time high of this, which is around 150. These are the resistance levels, right? And it has tested it multiple times, like this entire month, this month, this month, and this is the fourth time it is trying to break this out, right? So this could be a good one, but only if the next candle closes in green and maybe above 150, we can take a entry here for 160, 65, and 70. So yeah, these are the few stocks which came into my filter this for this week, and I'll try to share as many as like every week, all the breakout stocks that I get in my filter, and try to discuss them with you guys maybe starting this week. So this is my first video. I'll request your support here, and then we can grow our money together, right? Yeah. So thanks a lot, guys. Thanks for watching. So as this is my first video, I'll ask you to like, comment, and share this with your friends and communities, right? Thank you.